Alrighty, we have here a Kenmore 80 series. One of my clients said if I could fix it so she doesn't have to replace it because the belt is fucked up on it, which is something I ordered from Amazon. So I gotta take out the can't talk. I gotta take out the top panel and then the front, and it kind of pops out. So after you grab the belt, just kind of loop it in there, pop it in. And then down here, as you can see, it's just like changing a belt on a car. You just gotta run it properly, you know? So after you change the belt, you make sure everything is working proper, just in case the belt comes off again for whatever reason. But other than that, yeah, you're pretty much good to go. Just make sure it's got heat. Yep. And yeah, that's pretty much it.